Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce you to our 2019 Volkswagen Tigaun Highline. This beautiful vehicle is finished in our nice gray paint with a nice black leatherette interior. Looking up top, you will see that this comes with a panoramic sunroof. Rear seat space is ample. The seat bench does slide forward and back, and the backrests are adjustable. They have their own vents. They have their own charging area as well. The rear hatch is power assisted. Left and right side do have cutouts, and the second row there folds 60/40 via these levers. Quick press of the button here, and down the trunk goes. Coming around to the driver's side here, you will notice all of the adjustability, all power with memory. Nice premium Fender audio system. This is a Highline, so it does come with navigation. Currently sitting up here in the dash. Looking at Android Auto, Apple CarPlay as well. Down below you will see your USB inputs, dual zone automatic climate control, heated steering wheel, and heated seat for the driver. You got all of your mode buttons. This is a Highline, so you do have your blind spot monitor, rear traffic alert, and front assist as well. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to highlight a couple of key features here that make this 2019 Tigaun Highline the perfect vehicle for you. Please feel free to reach out to us at the store with any questions that you may have, and we look forward to assisting you. Take care.